Okay, this is the end result. Here's the base plate. It was a bear. I got just a tad too far this direction. So when I get some time and money, I'll put another plate right there. The top might have a hard time reaching that. So here's a chair, and the chair goes right in the hole. And there's my chair. It should work up pretty good. As long as I go straight, it won't be too bad. Even with my long arms, I can only get about here. And then here to there is quite a turn moving around in the boat. If need be, I'll just... This boat can turn on a dime. I mean, this boat, over like this, it can turn within its own length. It just rotates in place. So, that's my job I did. No such thing as a simple job, that's for damn sure. Oh, here's my new motor. And it is a beast. There's the power tilts down here. You probably can't hardly see a shaft back in there. There's my power cables. And my little push button to start right there. And boy, motors have gotten complicated. So, 2018 model, Mercury, 20 horse, 4-stroke. Another 8 hours or so, I can do my first oil change. There's an oil filter down here. Bought some of that stuff, all that stuff yesterday. Oil fill. Oil level check, oil drain, well, one of those is, oil drain right there. The gear lube, there's a screw down here in the bottom of this thing, someplace. Oh, there it is right there. That's for draining out the gear lube, crankcase, gear case, I guess they call it. Now, that's my new $4,000 motor. Tomorrow, you get to go up to top speed, full throttle. We're expecting something close to 30 miles an hour. And so we'll see. Oh yeah, since my last motor got stolen, these are mounting bolts that they just unscrewed the last time. Now, I had to reverse this bolt, and this thing is on the end of it. This is a cap that goes over a plate, and on the plate is where the nut and washer mount. And there's a key right here, so this thing is keyed, so I can take that off to get to the nut and bolt. My $50 security device. So, tomorrow's going to be a fun day, hopefully.